Never knew how much I love you. Never knew how much I care. When you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight, fever in the morning, fever all through the night.
Sun lights up the daytime, moon lights up the night. I light up when you call my name, and you know I'm gonna treat you right. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight, fever in the morning, fever all through the night.
Everybody's got the fever. That's just something that you should know. Fever isn't such a new thing. Fever started long ago.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, tell about it.
Romeo loved Juliet. Juliet, she felt the same. When he put his arms around her, he said, Julie, baby, you're my flame. I'll give it fever.
Fever, 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 yeah.
When we kiss it, fever without flaming youth.
Oh,
fever, I'm a fire. Fever, yeah, I burn for truth.
Captain Smith and Pocahontas had a very bad affair, but when her daddy tried to kill him, she said, Daddy, Daddy, don't you dare. He gives me fever with his kisses, fever when he holds me tight, fever I'm his missus. Oh, Daddy, won't you treat him right?
Now you've heard our story.
Oh, it's your story.
Here's the point that we have made.
I'm listening.
Chicks were born to give you fever.
That's right, be it Fahrenheit or centigrade.
They give you fever when you kiss them. Fever, if you live, you learn. Fever, tell you sizzle. What a lovely way to burn. What a lovely way to burn. I tell you, what a lovely way to burn. All right now, what a lovely way to burn. I like that. What a lovely way to burn.